Hello, my name is Rarity. First of all, these are my kittens. Some have been naughty and they have fallen over, so I have to pick them up. Oh, and I've got this kitty welcome mat. Okay, so the kids are going to film upstairs. So anyway, here is the beautiful beauty desk. It is a beauty. Look at it. I guess it isn't. And look at the kitchen. Look how pretty the kitchen is. Oh, here we have a water bowl for our cat, which sorry about which I am not gonna do. Kids, come downstairs. You have to do the rest of the room tour now. Hello. I am Rainbow Dad, and I have to do the rest of your room tour. I've never done it before, so you have to go upstairs with me because that's where my room is. So yeah. So I got a sister, Apple's egg, and we got a baby now, and her name's Lily Dash. Lily Dash is actually quite cute. I know one of my kittens is here, but still, okay. This is coming for some more something. Okay, time to go upstairs. I wanna. Okay, so here we are upstairs. Is my big sister Starlight. And this is basically the baby's toy. He got a cat too. And here is Lily Dash. I know she's pretty cute, isn't she? She's in her cot now. And this is our bed. There is a ladder around here, but I don't feel like walking all the way around there. So I'm gonna get up on here if I can. Yes, I am up, and I am not filming anymore. I guess I have to actually. I guess I have to, because you can't see me. Okay. Look, okay. I'm going to the shop. So you're going to come with me to the shop. And we got lots of amazing things with our nearby shop there. And look, we've got like nearly 5 billion cars here. Isn't that great? Okay, we're going to get this car because this is a car I love. Because it's like on your own car. Sorry, I might go too fast. Okay. Wait, we need to get this in the other hand. Okay, I know it doesn't look like I'm driving, but I use my powers to go drive. So we're going to go to the car park now, and the car park's like over there or something. And after I've gone shopping, I'll show you the rest of our room, and then I'll start filming. Because traffic light. I lost where the car park is. And my car can actually fly, so that's the great thing. Okay, get out. Okay, wait a second. They haven't got the shopkeeper yet. Okay, they're getting the shopkeepers to come on guard. Shopkeepers, could we film you? You found you? Are you filming me? Could I give you an iPad and you're filming me? Yeah, I am. Oh, he's a security guard. Well, she should look like she should be my bigger sister. Okay, let's go get a basket or a trolley. Let's go see where they put it now. They usually put it in weird places. And on the way back, I'll show you my name is Zach. Actually, I'm gonna take this. I don't think I'm getting that much. I know you're gonna wonder why I'm shopping on my own, but the reason why I am, I missed it. Okay, let's come back up the side. Okay, the reason why I'm shopping on my own is because it's a safe shop. They got security guards. So let that slide down while I slide down. Okay, so now I slide down. I will see if there's any other items to get and then I'll pay. And look what I made. Okay, so I know it's quite weird. One of my art displays is in this shop, but I'm not going to buy it because it's my art display. Are we sure that's made out of dough? Yeah, that's definitely made out of dough because I use mine to make out of dough. Okay, let's just go pay now. I'm sure there's nothing else. Okay, let's go around here. Hello, shopkeeper. Hello, shopkeeper. Jaden, I would like to buy just one thing and I just got a basket for it. Put the basket back. Okay, that will be like £1 or something, so let me just go scan it. Just next time, don't get a basket when you got one thing. Okay, now it's time to scan. £1 or dollars, please. Yeah, $1, please. We want $1. Oh, where is your $1? Madam, turn it off and thank you for now. I will come back tomorrow. I know you're gonna say that's a very quick shop. There's a DJ dance for me. Look at me, the DJ dance for me. Okay, let's just hop into our car now. I'm just gonna put this in the car. Sadly, it looks like our car does have a boot. When they prank that you have a boot. Okay, not that yellow line again. I don't want to cross the yellow line again. Okay, I'm going back the other way because that's how cars work. Okay, just zoom into myself. I know that's quite blurry actually. No, I'll just leave myself like that. Okay, I'll see you when I get home. I quite found it to turn up. Mom, I went shopping. I went shopping for just these love hearty things. Okay. Okay. And now this is our room. If you haven't really seen it properly, there is our room. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Well, we did hope you did.